Hello and welcome back to Buckland Junction. I'm up on Bird Lip Hill, which is Gloucestershire, I believe. Down there is the town, or is it a city? No, it's a city of Gloucester, where I've been today to meet up with quite a special lad named Alan Whitmore. Him and his wife made me really welcome while we done a few hours playing with his model railway in his loft. So it's another Alan in the loft, but not this Alan in the loft, because I was in his loft. Oh, it's getting complicated. But yeah, I can see right through probably to the Brecon Beacons and the Black Mountains from here. I'm not going to try using the zoom, but it's well worth a look. This is Bird Lip Hill in Gloucestershire. Over there is a hill fort, ancient settlement by the looks of it. Has tumuli and a mount which would probably have been aligned with you know, a wooden fortress. Very interesting. I've been here before. Although it's now a view and parking spot, it was the main road last time I come through here, I believe. So let's see what we can get into. Have a look at Alan Whitmore's layout coming up right now. Today I'm off to see Loft Railway. So it's another Alan in the loft. Let's see what we get up to. Wow, welcome back to Buckland Junction. It's Alan in the loft, but I'm not in my Buckland Junction loft. I'm in another Alan's loft. And this is his wonderful layout. It's very big, very long, I should say. So let me give you a quick walk round first. This bit is, I think, is still in progress, but there's a lot going on, and I'm going to be chasing some engines in a little while. There we go, I'll chase this one. He's got masses of rolling stock, lots of lovely engines, and he's just setting it all going now, so stand by for a busy running session. Right, let's try and get some of his layout in, because he's got a church scene with, was it Sir Tom Moore? Yeah, Sir Tom Moore. And look, he's got an RAF flyby salute going on here. Got some great freight trucks here, full up with gravel. And trying not to get into the light. I'll have to put some facts in the comments below. There's so much going on here. Look at that for a freight rake. The steel coils. Oops. We've got the nuclear fast train here. Direct rail services. And there's even a 37 on the other end, so double heading. I think this is a Deltic. Look at that. And yet on the same line, this is the thing that confuses me about DC. We've got another class 37 with a tanker train. By the way, this is Alan Whitmore's layout. What else we got? Yeah, it's so busy. Another Deltic, I think. some lovely carriages. They're quite short, those carriages. I would have said that was a class 20, but I don't know my numbers very well. I like the way you've got all loads in these wagons. It does make a difference. Let's watch this one go by. Kind of a mixed freight. Oh, look at all those wheels in there. Wow. Pipes, tractors, JCBs. It's amazing what you can learn off other modelers. These hoppers, Southern Region hoppers, these ones are empty. But look at this for scrap metal. Look at this, this is so impressive. Looks really good. What are they? Snipped up ring pull cans. Ring pulls from his cans. Look at that, I think that looks really cool. And he's got a piece of foam covered with cardboard, sprayed grey, and the top layer of ring pull cans. It's so effective. Ooh. Now oh, it's not that train. He's got two trains running on the same track behind each other, one behind each other, which is making it quite confusing to keep my eye on all these. We've had a little bit of a derailment. One train's running to the back of the other one, but that's model railways for you. I've been warned there's some naughty things going on in this layout. Yes, they're up to something there. We've got the rail gang. Oh, and I like the Land Rover there with its little wheels to go on the tracks. It's excellent. There's so much going on here, Alan. Got a bit of a freight yard going on here. This one, Mark at Main Train will like this one. And also I'm going to hopefully show Alan's collection of lorries, cars. Wow, he's got a lovely collection downstairs of every truck you can think of, plus other things. Farmyard, which is still in development. I've got to go for a change of battery. Let's have a look at Alan's sidings, because there's some interesting bits and bobs in here. But these are 66s, I think, or some people call them sheds. I've caught a couple actually working for real on my trip. But look at that for a full siding. Containers, bulkies, wagons. And is this the breakdown? Yeah, is that the testing carriages? Yeah, is it the rail?
Laboratory.
Oh right, yeah.
And that's a maintenance.
Right.
That's a kit. But
that's a kit, this one?
No. That's their tools in there.
Oh, I see, yeah, their tool wagon.
Yeah. But that's a
utility van.
It's a luggage van.
Yeah.
It's Winston Churchill's funeral wagon.
Oh, wow. Excellent. And look at these for cars, look. Look at that, an old 4-pot. Yeah, interesting stuff.
I learned to drive.
And in that time, more disasters could be happening.
Yeah.
I was just getting some of his lovely rakes of wagons here. There's so much going on now. Look at that. And a blue brake van. Wow, that's highly detailed. I've had to hit the panic button because too many trains running and catching each other up. But gives me a chance to have a look at around the layout. It's quite a a horny. We've got some other goings on there. Look, should do it behind the bushes. Oh, there's a police. Is that a 47?
Yeah.
Have they really got a police one?
Yeah.
And what do they use that for?
Well, I think it's just more advertising.
Oh, okay. I've just got to have a good look at Alan's spam can. Look at that. I do like a spam can. Sir William Sinclair?
Archibald.
Archibald Sinclair, look at that. I was starting to think that Alan's mostly into his diesels, but look. Oh, there's diesels. Steam. He's got a lovely collection going on here. Oh, steady. Wow! Pendolino.
Yeah.
I've been watching these things go on the side of the lines, and boy, they do go. If you want to get up country quick, get on a Pendolino. And that's all virgin, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow, lovely. Military train. Some tanks.
With a Home Guard Patriot.
What, this one?
Yeah.
Home Guard Patriot. Wow. Nicely done and weathered. Yeah, it's got some lovely stuff here.
Right, let me just step the 47. Stop that one.
There's the nuclear flask train. There's carriage for the military to guard the train. And look at this for detail. Look at that. I think there's 16 wheels on every carriage. Another armed carriage and the 37 sitting there at the back. Look at that for a rake. I think every boy should have one. Look at that. Working lights. I've got like a string on it, so if you drop it, it just stays with you.
If you're on your wrist in it.
Yeah. And the times I've got it caught on things. Oh, have you?
Yeah. Right, I went to Cheltenham Model Centre the other day. Spent £74.20. The bloody pickups.
Ah, where? In the tent or the
The engine. No, on the driving wheels.
I'm gonna have to split that video to get this to work properly. Avro Vulcan XH558.
Yeah.
Excellent. What can I say apart from Thanks Alan, thanks Al for looking after me this afternoon and for showing me your wonderful layout. It was, yeah, mind-boggling. Yeah, I hope I see you again in the future, and keep building that railway up, mate. It's wonderful. Almost too much to look at. I should be looking back at my films and photographs to see what I've missed, but yeah, that's Alan reporting from Bird Lip. I take it you lovers have been up here in the past. Take care. So that's Alan out. What can I say? What a perfect end to the day. What a spectacular sunset. People still here having fun. It's lovely and warm, 24 degrees maybe. Absolutely gorgeous. All the town lights of Gloucester are now twinkling, and with my own eyes I can see miles into the distance. Other towns, other valleys. Absolutely gorgeous. Another javelin. Wow, wow.